Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're gonna make vegetable soup. Yum, yum. Okay, I'm at the outdoor kitchen. I bet your kitchen at home is inside, but because it's so nice out, I'm gonna make mine on this outside stove. And so my mask is having a hard time staying up. Let's see, so I've got a pan and a spoon. And this is our broth that we're going to use. So first we add the broth. Stir slow around you go. First we add the broth. And at home you can just do it like this. First we add the broth. First we add the broth. Stir slow around you go. The soup is boiling up. Stirring. Next we have a potato. So we're going to have to cut the potato. It's a sharp knife, so you'll have help if you're cutting it, or otherwise moms and dads can cut the potato. So now we cut the potato. And then we'll stir slow around we go. The soup is boiling up. So at home we can do it like this. Now we cut the potato. Stir slow around we go. The soup is boiling up. Now we've got some greens. This is chard. It's delicious, but we can just rip it. And so if you're home helping your mom and dad, you can help by ripping the greens. So next we rip the greens. And then we'll stir slow around we go. The soup is boiling up. We put those in. All right. And the last part is we get a bowl. And we're going to put some soup in the bowl. And I get to take my mask down for this. Last we take a bite. The soup is really good.